there, I'm Ugu from TechCornerTV, and today, again, as every Monday, I have here a few packages to open that arrived to the TechCorner channels last week. So, without further ado, let's start the unboxing. Let me make room. Let's start with this one. It's a little bigger. Okay, let's see what we have here. Okay, so in this box we have a Kingston SSD. This is for a friend that want to start making videos also, and I will upgrade this computer. So we have here a genuine Windows 10 SSD, and also we have here the BRIO 4K Stream Edition. Okay, this is a little different from the previous boxes that I received, and yeah, it seems quite nice. Yeah, I went to grab this. This one is the previous version. It's the BRIO 4K Pro webcam, and this is the Stream Edition. As you can see, the package is quite different. Yeah. This one is much more retail package. Yeah, let's see what's in the box. This is a small unboxing. Let's see what we have here. This has a lot of stickers. And I don't want to damage the box. Yeah. Let's see what's in the box. Whoa, this box is quite nice. We have the BRIO webcam here. It's pretty similar to the one I have there. So also in the box we have the normal camera cover, the lens cover, and also USB cable. Without this USB cable you are unable to do 4K. And yeah, we have also a bag for carrying the camera, and yeah, this is exactly the same camera as you can see. And yeah, we have also here some stuff. Have the offer from XSplit. I don't know what this is. I have to see what this is. XSplit Webcam. Yeah. So anyway, it has a better package, but it's basically the same product. Let me put this in here and move on to the next item on our list. Yeah. This is a very good camera. I already have two. If you follow the electronics channel, the recordings I do in the electronics workbench are made with a camera like this. And right now you are seeing the image of this camera, the top cam that I have here. It's a BRIO 4K. Yeah, it works very well. I have here this one to do the unboxing and the review. But yeah, this one is for a friend. Very nice product. Let me just take this out of the way. It is a very nice camera. It's the nearest you can find from a webcam to well, a normal professional cam. Okay, moving on to the next item. Let's see what we have here. I don't even need the knife. Okay. Let's see. What is this? Well, this doesn't have a box or anything. I know what this is. This is a Xiaomi mosquito repeller or something like that. I will do a review of this in the Tech Corner reviews and tips. I don't know how this open. It must be something like here. Let me see. Yeah. So we need a battery, 2 batteries for here. We have here, I think it is something to attract the mosquitoes, and it seems to have a propeller that will, well, distribute the smell around and keep the mosquitoes away. I don't know how yet, but this is the Smart Edition, or it should be the Smart Edition, and it should be able to connect to the mobile phone. Yeah, I will have to see how this works, and let's keep it to the review on the other channel. I don't know about you, but in the summer, mosquitoes are very bad to me. They sting a lot, and yeah, I decided to buy one of these devices to experiment if it works. Yeah, okay. Moving on, we have here a small package. This one is better with a knife. Okay, one of the things I want to buy in the next month, I already have a 3D printer, a very good one. It's something bear, I don't remember right now the name. A Ghost 5, Flying Bear Ghost 5, yeah, that's it. But I'm targeting a 3D printer that uses resin, and this is used to filter the used resin through this funnel right back to the bottle. Yeah, I don't have the 3D printer, the resin 3D printer, because I want to buy the 3D printer. It's from Cleqee 00H, I believe. And yeah, but since these things take so long to get here from China, I decided to order. I have a dog here. I decided to order already, and yeah, it's here. When I buy the printer, I already have this one. Okay, moving on. Let's see what we have in here. Okay. If you follow these videos, you probably noticed that some time ago I started using this lapel microphone, and it has a very, let me show you, it has a very, well, it's not very versatile, the clip that comes with it, because I cannot take this as in this one. In this one I can put here the mic and take it off without taking the clip. And I decided to buy a few of these. I'm waiting also, a mic from, I believe it's Deborah. And I have here 2 sizes. This one is for smaller mics, as you can see. The system it's the same, but it's used for smaller mics. Okay, so moving on. This is for the studio equipment. Sorry guys, if you listen a dog. One of my neighbors has a dog, and today is quite noisy. Okay, so this is quite simple. Yeah. I bought this one for labeling everything that goes to the refrigerator. and to freeze. We have the date and the contents, because a lot of times, like fish and meat, you cannot identify it after it's freeze. So this is pretty cheap, and you can put it on the plastic on the bag. And yeah, this is food labeling labels. 2 rolls, it's something like $1 or something like that. It's pretty cheap, and it's a nice detail for labeling the food. Okay, we have a very small one here. I hope that has something in it, because it's not the first time that I have packages that are delivered without anything in it. Okay, so let's see what we have here. This is a PCB and a small project. It has a mic, and yeah, I don't know what this is. Not even Chinese instructions. I don't have a clue what this is, really. It has infrared, I believe. This is an infrared LED, and some IC. Yeah, I don't have any idea of this is, but it's another small project for the electronics channel. Yeah, in a few weeks I maybe do this. Okay, so let's continue. Let's see what we have here. Expansion board. I believe it's something for the electronics channel also. We already have some things for the review channel. And yeah. Okay. So I don't know really. Let's see what we have in here. It's also a project. Let's see. I think this is a tester. I don't know what kind of tester. This will probably... no, English, yo! Okay, this is a frequency counter. And yeah, nice, it has English instructions. Hallelujah. Okay, we have the list of parts here, the design diagram, how it should be, the electronics diagram, and yeah, some considerations. So, thumbs up. Yeah, very nice. So, we have the box. It's the transparent boxes. Yeah. The PCB and the components. Here is the display. I will not open this because it might lose some parts. I have the IC holder. Here it is, the IC, some resistors, some Zener diodes, and over here we have buttons and power connector, some pins, oscillator. Yeah, nice. I'm happy. This is the first kit, and I received more than, I don't know, 20, 30. The first one that has instructions in English. Sorry. Okay. We still have here 2 more to open. Let me take this out of the way. And yeah, this is let's see what we have here. Okay, it's well packed, it's very small. Okay. This is studio equipment. I have no idea of what this was. Okay, those are, I believe, those are metallic nuts. for tripods. I bought some small ball heads for mounting in tripods and stuff like that that had this part in plastic, and the problem is that the nut will break very easily, and when you do some strength to tighten the equipment. I decided to buy 5 of these. I think I am still waiting for 2 more metal ones, reds, and yeah, some stuff for the studio equipment. Okay, let's end with this one. It has something inside. I was unable to identify what it was by the tracking. I receive a lot of duplicated orders, so if I'm unable to identify this, it will be, yeah, well, okay, I know what this is. This is for the multimeter, and yeah, okay, this is some parts to connect the multimeter cables, female to female. If we have different cables, we can connect it using this one, these parts. Yeah, just a simple connectors. And that's it for today. I hope that you liked opening all this package with me. Next week I will do one more mailbag day, so take care. Thank you for watching until the end, and yeah, don't forget, subscribe to the channel, please. It will help me grow the channel. And also, if you subscribe, don't forget to hit that bell so you can be notified every time I have a new video. That's it for today. Yeah, stay safe. See you next time. Thank you.